What's up, guys? And it's the final part of the Angry Birds Grass Touchers. Time to go. Where's Angry Birds go? Oh my god, I'm just scrolling. Someone help me. Here does Angry Birds go. If this doesn't work, then I highly doubt that it will ever work. Check your internet. Oh my god, Angry Birds Go doesn't work. Angry Birds freaking Go doesn't work. Oh my god. Fine. I haven't decided which Angry Birds game. Angry Birds Evolution. Where, I don't know, name every bird in Angry Birds Evolution. That's impossible. To name every bird in Angry Birds Evolution. It's literally impossible. Like, I don't even remember these when I was freaking playing this game. Hi there. Yep. I used to have a 6-star classic red. Dink, dink. Birds chirping. Arena loading. And that's gravel. I don't care. I already know the physics of the game. TNT is good in every Angry Birds game. Oh, that's freaking... My brother is working. Now, Red, do the final blow, bro. Die. Where's extra quarter? Oh, here's green quarter. Sneaky little guy. Campaign. Where am I? That seems to be a lot of grass. How did you just fight the pigs and then get kidnapped by the pigs? Yo, that's not grass, that's flowers. Oh. Gonna freaking touch grass and build you. Well, I actually didn't really see it. And suckity duckity, hey, touch the grassity. What's this? Frick. Okay. Giuseppe? Oh, frick. Why did I say Giuseppe? I just put myself in an intermediate and there's a baby child. Oh my god, bro. Angry Birds! Transformers! Yes, I know. Shoot that guy. Shoot the bottom. This is a weird game. It's Angry Birds heads on Transformers heads instead of Transformers heads on Transformers heads. Oh, we are in a freaking beach. Are you kidding me? That's the last thing I want. Thank you. Egg, please. Finally, This is what he calls a run. Not a speed run, a slow run. Oh, I'm supposed to do that. Oh, the end is near. Oh, frick you. Oh, frick you. Finally, boom, boom. Baru meninggal. Wait, what did I say? I think the game is about to get the freaking rolling pillars. Another one. Now there's pigs that I'm gonna kill them to kill you. Yeah, just move forward in this game. I feel like it's gonna. Oh, that guy. Die. Where are the shooters? Yeah, they are the shooters. Oh, there's a shooter. That's me at school, bro. I do that. That's me. Die, pig. Oh. Die. I need to kill that guy. So we basically have those Japanese suicide workers. Kamikazes, those are kamikazes. I think I have enough for truck, right? No. 34. Fuck you. 65. What has brought you to the game? Angry Birds. Oh! Oh, frick yo game. I'm gonna die. Help me, I'm gonna die. Those things are gonna fall and kill me. Shoot at them. Come on! Now I have to upgrade this guy. Yeah, no. Look at all those birds and pigs. Huh? What's this thing? Intellectual. Yes. It only costs the person is killed when you have complete. Oh my god, this game might take a while. This game actually might take a while. There's car mode. You need to turn into a car. Vroom vroom. And D-car mode. What? Wait. It just auto-made? Car mode. What's the car mode button? Here it is, car mode. Another D-car mode. There it is. There is the bird car mode, D-car mode. Transformers, Transformers mode. Car mode. Some of them fall like that. Also, this might take as long as really good epic on us. We might need 3 episodes. This is only like 2 games. 14 murdered puppies. And now we can save Bumblebee, Chucklebee, Rubba-dubba-dubba-dubba-dubba-dubba-dubba. This guy is good against wood. Car mode? Car mode. Yes, I know this guy is good against wood. Rock. Dwayne. I will get you someday, Dwayne. Nope. Jingle blocks. And there's red light. Come on, come on. This is taking all episodes just to freaking. Like, I can't post videos over 15 minutes. That means this might take 3 episodes. That's Carbonite Chuck Solo. Oh my god. Han Solo is Chuck. That means that's just Carbonite Chuck Solo too. Now can I go over here? No, not Jingle mode. Oh, you. Fricker, frick you, frick you, frick you. Is there any grass here? Grass, like the grass. Sir? Any grass around here? Let's go here. There might be grass here. Nope, there's just advertisements. Nope, no grass. Car mode. What? What? Cool. Yep, this is a 10-minute speedrun. What do I get? Nothing, except for an Angry Birds 2 ad. We already speedrunning this thing. Part B. Birdie birds, frick you, frick you. Oh, guys. Oh my god, this is almost my YouTube code limit. Can this be the sacred code? It's not the sacred code. Well then, guys, we're ending this video off. Because I can't record videos over 15 minutes. Because I need the 2 months verification, blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah. Blah.